hustle, get my money. Oh, all I see is signs, all I see is dollar signs.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a question and answer video for you guys. My nose looks red. It looks like as if I was crying. I wasn't crying, by the way. So I think it was yesterday. Yesterday I asked you guys to ask me questions on my Instagram. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, make sure to comment if you're not following me on Instagram. No. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll put the link down below. And I'll put it right here because in case you wanna like pause it. Okay, the very first question, it wasn't even a question, it was a comment from my sister. She said, "Why are you so annoying?" Thanks. The next question is that it's actually a very good question. I wanted to make a whole separate video just talking about why I started my channel. And so the question is, when did you start your channel? I'm not quite sure because I think the very first video I did put it on private. Oh no, lies. My very first video, even though it's cringy, I left it because I'm very I don't know, all emotional and oh my god, that's my first video. And so I didn't put it on private. I'll put the link for my first video in the down bar and comment down below if you're going from this video to that video. But let's go and check the exact date because honestly I don't even know the exact date. My first video was a get ready with me video and it was August 29, 2017. That was my first video here on YouTube. Okay, so the next question is how does it feel like to be out of high school? It feels good. Sometimes it feels lonely. It does feel lonely because I feel like in high school it sounds kind of mean or negative, but you're forced to see people, if that makes sense. For example, during lunch in my school it was A lunch and B lunch, I think, something like that. I don't even remember. A lunch and B lunch, let's say, and if you had B lunch you would have B lunch for half a year, yeah, for a whole semester. So you in a way be forced to see that same people every single day, or the same thing as in class and stuff. You're forced to see people every day. I mean, I guess it's the same in college because obviously you take the same class over and over again every day for a whole semester. But it's not like high school. It's, for me, in college, you go to class and that's it. You go to class and you go home. So in a way it does get lonely, if that makes it's kind of sad. So yeah, that was a super long answer. I'm gonna be giving super long answers, by the way. Sorry. Next question is, what made you start your YouTube channel? So what made me start my YouTube channel, I always wanted to make a YouTube channel since middle school. I'm not sure if I should tell you guys the reason or the full story right now because I don't know. But yeah, basically I was going through a hard time. I mean, I was in 5th grade, so I don't know. During 5th grade I was bullied and stuff. It's the first time I actually say it out loud. I know it's kind of whenever you hear 5th grade, dude, you're little, whatever, you know. But I think because I was little and because I was so innocent, I did not know that it was wrong. It's just that it affected me, and I was, in a way, I was sad and stuff, and I was just in a way confused mostly, what's going on, you know, why don't they like me, you know, you know, it was just, I wasn't used to that in a way. I said, I was little, so I didn't know oh, some people are just not gonna like you, some people are just mean, some people don't get attention at home, so they try to get attention, not positive attention, but you know, attention at school. It's not your fault, nothing's wrong with you, you know. I think that was that same year for Christmas we got a computer, a desktop computer, and because of my older sister, and we would watch a bunch of YouTube videos and stuff, so that would really distract me. And that's when I got introduced to makeup, and that was already fast forward to 6th grade. 6th grade I was already good. Yeah, I started watching YouTube videos, and in a way it distracted me. It brought positivity back into my life, and that makes sense. It sounds very dramatic, and I don't want to be I don't know. In a way it brought back I was finally in a way happy, or was really into something for the first time, because I was never really into anything until I discovered makeup and YouTube and all of that. That's when I was oh my god, I really like this, even though I was really little and I didn't know what was what, and it was a mess. I wore green eyeshadow, you guys. That's how bad it was. So yeah, like ever since middle school I would record videos in this little iPod, my sister's iPod actually, and then I got my own iPod later on that year. I'm not really sure when, and that's when I started recording videos on mine. I still have the iPod. I wish I would have kept some videos, but I didn't. Like, I think like the oldest video that I have, it was like one that I made sophomore year when I was in high school. So I mean it's pretty old, but it's not as old, I guess, my middle school ones. And I'm pretty sure if I would have kept one of those, that would have been so funny to watch again. So what made me finally start like actually post them is just simply the fact I was again going through a hard time. I had just gotten out of a breakup. Whenever I say a hard time, I feel like the picture in my head is like super dramatic. It wasn't anything like that, but in a way I felt like people were judging me, and like, you know, like in a way it was kind of like the same as 5th grade, but in a way I wasn't bullied. But you get me? I feel like I'm rambling. I'm very nervous, you guys, like very nervous, because I've never like said this, that's why. So in a way this was a distraction. It was something that's just mine and no one can take away. So yeah, that's how this channel was made. And also the fact that I've always wanted to do it. Like, I'm pretty sure even though I wasn't going through a breakup, I would have still done a channel, you know. The next question is $1 million in cash right now, or never get sick again from anything and everything. Okay, it would be easy. I would so pick never get sick again if it would apply for my whole family. Like if it would include like money, or never get sick, never, like, you know, always be healthy and stuff for your whole family and your loved ones, then I would still pick never get sick. I would still pick that one. But because it just includes me, like, I mean, in a way I don't really care. It sounds bad, like, I don't know. So I think I'll get the cash. That way I can help others and help my family. Would you rather abolish politics or religion? Politics, because I think religion is kind of like a sticky, like, delicate subject. I feel like if I say something I could get attacked, easily get attacked. I don't want to get attacked. But I think for religion, I think there's a lot of people that really, in a way, not depend, because I feel like that sounds like a bad word. It's not a bad word. I don't mean it in a bad way, but I will not get rid of religion, because everyone has, like, you know, the right to believe in whatever they want. The next one is, I heard you have a super cute best friend. Is it true? Very, very true. The next one is, what inspired you to do YouTube? And again, it's kind of like the same one as the other one. I guess other YouTubers, and just like seeing how much of a positive vibe they had, like how they changed my mood whenever I was down, when I was, like, for example, 5th grade, or when I was going through a breakup. Like, whenever I would watch YouTube videos, everything would, like, you know, like, go away. And whenever I would watch videos, it would make me feel happy, and, like, you know, just turn everything back to, like, positive and stuff. It was, like, amazing to me. Like, and I was like, so you can, like, do all that, you can, like, help others, you can talk to others from, like, all over the world. You can literally be talking to someone right now that's from, like, somewhere that I've never been. Yeah, and I guess that's what inspired me. Like, just talking about it, I get so excited, like, and it's so amazing, like, what, in a way, a camera can do, you know. Like, next one is, how long have you and your boo been together? I love this question. Like, literally when I saw this, I was like, I get to talk about Danny. Yeah. So Danny and I have been together for 8 months now. And that's pretty much it. That was the whole question. That's pretty much it, you guys. Hopefully I didn't ramble so long. I think I did, because it's like a 30-minute video. Sorry. If you guys want to ask me questions for a next Q&A, I kind of want to start doing these more often, because I love talking to you guys. I'm sitting down on my floor right now, literally. Like, right now I'm sitting down on my floor. Like, these videos are so chill. I love it. Leave your questions down below if you guys want to ask a question. I'll give you guys a shout out, because now you know that I will be posting your comment right here. So if you guys want to be featured in the next question and answer, make sure you leave your question down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.